Hello viewers, I am Farzana, teacher of St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Hardoi. In this video, I will teach chapter 2 more about Windows. Before starting the chapter, if you like my video, hit the like button and share it and subscribe our school channel for more videos. Thank you. More about Windows chapter 2. Chapter 2 has two parts. Part 1 is Windows XP and Part 2 is Windows 7. In this video, we will learn about Windows XP. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you here something about Windows. Actually, Windows is a series of operating systems developed by Microsoft. Each version of Windows includes a graphical user interface with a desktop that allows users to view files and folders in Windows. For the past 2 decades, Windows has been the most widely used operating system for personal computers. Now let's understand about Windows XP. Windows XP is a version of the Microsoft Windows operating system for personal computers. The letter XP stands for experience. Microsoft released Windows XP on October 25, 2001. Windows XP replaced Windows 2000 and Windows ME, which helped complete unification of the NT. Windows XP was the second most used computer operating system in the world as late as April 2012. When Windows XP was released, many computer manufacturers like Dell, Hewlett-Packard, SR, IBM Compaq and Toshiba rebadged their computers. Mostly laptop to Windows XP from Windows 2000. You can tell a laptop from that time was initially sold with Windows 2000 if the Windows Win key on the keyboard has the previous Windows logo. Now let's see the important features which are related to this chapter. We will learn about operating system, software starting Windows and how to change the wallpaper and what are the basic components of the Windows. Now let's understand what is an operating system. First of all, I would like to define here what is an operating system. What do you understand by operating system? Operating system is the most important program installed on a computer. Without it, a computer cannot run. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer. When we start the computer, the first software that gets loaded is known as the operating system. Nowadays, there are different types of operating system available. I have shown here 3 operating systems: Linux, Unix and Windows XP. Now let's understand starting Windows. When we switch on the computer and start Windows, the first screen that we see with lots of icons on it is the desktop. Now let's see the wallpaper. Here, first of all, I will tell you about something wallpaper. What is wallpaper? Wallpaper is the background that appears on the desktop and this can be easily changed. Here, if you want to change your computer's wallpaper, then I will tell you how to change the wallpaper. Listen very carefully. If you want to change your wallpaper, follow these steps. Step first, click anywhere on the desktop that is not an icon, but click once with the right hand mouse button. Step 2, A menu appears. Select the property option. Step 3. A dialog box appears. This is the display property dialog box. There are two strips for themes, desktop, screensaver, appearance and setting. Click on the desktop tab strip and the dialog box will change to this one. Now let's see the desktop icons. The desktop icons means the desktop contains icons. As shortcut, clicking on these icons open up the files, folders or application that they stand for. For example, in Microsoft Windows, the desktop will often have an icon for recycle bin, and the icon usually look like a trash can in the desktop. Now let's understand very important and basic components of the Windows. Here I will tell you something about Windows and some important components which are related to Windows. What is window? When we are working in Windows operating system, the rectangular which is shown by me in this video, the rectangular work area to open any folder, program or document is called a window, as you are watching in this screen. The basic components are common to all Windows. These are one by one. Here I will explain. First, I will tell you title bar. What is title bar? A horizontal bar at the top of the Windows bearing the name of the program. Bearing the name of the program, it means title bar shows the program or file names. Here untitled paint, it is the program or file name which is shown by the title bar. Next is menu bar. What is menu bar? A horizontal bar typically located at the top of the screen below the title bar, containing drop-down menus. Where are drop-down menus? You see, file edit, views, image, colors, help. These are drop-down menus. And now, third is status bar. What is a status bar? A horizontal bar, usually the bottom of the screen, showing the information about document. Now, your chapter 2, part 1, Windows XP has been finished. And now chapter 2 is Windows 7. We will learn Windows 7 in next video. Thank you for watching the video.